In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Calendly booking. Sometimes plans change and you might need to adjust your schedule. Fortunately, Calendly makes it straightforward to cancel an appointment, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. Whether you're dealing with a scheduling conflict or any other reason, cancelling your Calendly meeting is a breeze. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Calendly website. To do this, simply open up your preferred web browser and type in Calendly's URL, or just search for Calendly in your search engine. Once you're on the home page, you will see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. This action takes you to the login page. Here you have several options to continue, including logging in with your email and password or using Google. For a smooth process, let's proceed with the Google option. Click on Continue with Google and you'll be prompted to choose an account. If you're already logged into your Google account, you should see it listed here. Select the account you use for Calendly. After choosing your Google account, you might be asked to confirm your choice. Simply click on Continue to proceed. This step ensures that Calendly can sync with your Google Calendar, making it easier to manage appointments. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your Calendly dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your scheduled events. Look for the navigation menu, often located on the left side of the screen, and click on Meetings. This section will show you all the types of meetings you've set up with Calendly. Now it's time to locate the booking you need to cancel. You'll see a list of all your scheduled events under the Meetings section. Browse through this list to find the specific appointment you're looking to cancel. Each event should have clear details, including the date, time, and the name of the person you're meeting with, making it easier to identify the right one. After you've found the event, it's as simple as clicking on it to view more details. Within these details, you'll see various options, one of which is Cancel. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation process. Calendly understands that sometimes cancellations are necessary, and they've made this step very straightforward. Next, you will be given the opportunity to inform why you're cancelling the meeting. This is an optional step, but it can be courteous to provide a reason for the cancellation, especially if it's a business meeting or a professional consultation. Typing out a brief explanation takes just a moment and can be appreciated by the other party. Finally, you'll see the Yes Cancel button. Clicking on it will confirm your intention to cancel the meeting. A confirmation message will appear, and both you and the other participant will receive an automatic notification about the cancellation. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and can adjust their schedules accordingly. Remember, communication is key. Whether you've cancelled a meeting due to unforeseen circumstances or a scheduled conflict, it's always a good idea to follow up with a personal message if possible. Sending a quick email or message to the other party can help maintain your professional relationship and potentially reschedule your appointment for a more convenient time. Cancelling a meeting on Calendly is designed to be a simple and painless process, ensuring that you can manage your time effectively and without hassle. With just a few clicks, you can keep your schedule in check and make sure that your appointments align with your availability. And that's it. You now know how to cancel a meeting through Calendly. Whether you're new to managing your schedule online or you're looking for ways to optimize your time, understanding how to navigate appointment cancellations is essential. With Calendly, you have the flexibility to adjust your plans as needed, ensuring you remain organized and professional.